everybody. This is Select Hybrid. Pick your team number 1 4-box break release day. Good luck, everybody. All right, guess the first gold or better. I'll do it for $20 in Blez Bucks. Go. First gold or better, guys. Go. It's our first time looking at Select. I didn't even rip Select Hobby yet, but come Monday we'll have Select Hobby in the store on Monday, guys. So I think I'll have hybrid because we don't have a lot of hybrid. But if not, we'll have Select Hobby in the store for Monday. And we'll get a little bit more creative with the store for you guys so we have some fun breaks. Not stale. I guess we'll go pack by pack. Why not? Here we go. Yuki, silver. MPJ on the silver. Kaishan on the court side. I'm sorry. Yeah, Premier. I apologize. And Ajay Mitchell. I think, Chris, I think we have an opportunity for it now. I think we do. Silver. Kuzma, we have our first white. Keontae on the white. The second year. 36/75. Light blue. Devin Booker. Light blues are the 99 on the premier on the concourse. We're gonna end it on a red on box 1. De Silva, Yuki on the court side, and we have a red court side. Not a rookie, it's Trae Young. On the red court side to 49 for the Hawks. Box 1. There's box 2. Take your guys' twos, guys. Take your guys' twos. Don't pick Jacoby Walter, rookie silver. Red concourse of Zion Williamson for the Pelicans. There we go, blue to 25, guys. That's the great thing about this product is that it's very low printed, so lots of low numbers come out. Disco of Jackie Cui for Lou, 9138792. And there's a blue of Klay Thompson for the Mavericks. On the kill for the Taxi Man Anto. Cody Williams, Mobley, Disco of Connect for the Lakers and the Taxi Man. And our last pack for box 2 be a light blue courtside, it looks like. Rookie courtside light blue is a beauty. It was a premier level, excuse me, for Asmussen. He's doing well. It's Risha Shade at 99. 55 of 99. All right, I gotta see some ink. Nothing low numbered yet. This is a fresh case, guys. We just started this case. You do have top shelf autographs of some of your best players, including Shea. The top shelf has been a recent addition. This is the 3rd year they included it now. First year being the Chet and Paulo year, which really made Select Hybrid really, really, really good. Yep, take your twos, guys. We're going to focus on this primarily this morning, and then I'll kind of push the other breaks through. There's boxes 3 and 4. You do have 1 of 1s in this, guys. They should fly out. Silver of Luca. Franz and a disco of RJ Barrett. Keontae, we have a green to 5. Good luck. Here's your guess. It is a rookie green to 5. Oh boy, that's the right color, all right. That is massive. For Robert Bass, there is a true green disco to 5. It's Matas Buzelis. This might be a special case. Wow. 3 of 5 on the Buzelis. Did anybody guess Matas? That is massive. That is very massive. Awesome, Carlos. I'll put it on your account right after this. I gotta get a picture. Awesome, Carlos. Remind me right after this break. I'll take care of you, bud. That is a massive card to start our day, yes. Connect. Jalen Wells on the premiere. That's a great way to start a case, for sure. Wells again. Shepard, white, rookie of Enrique Freeman for the Pacers on the white to 75. Yuki, rookie silver. And Dylan Jones on the disco. Disco Ryan Dunn, true red is nice too. It's a courtside of Ron Holland for the City Goat Pistons to 49. Nice break, guys. First 2 boxes were a little slow. Picked up right with that Matas. Connect. You guys are going to have a field day. Take your guys' player breaks on the main channel as well. Nice job. Main channel will be going live probably about 1 o'clock today, I think. Wells, Klingen on the court side. And we're going to end on a white court side. It is a rookie. It's Cam Christie for the Clippers. On the white disco court side is how we end number 1. Take your twos, guys. Get a picture of Matas in a second. Nice stuff. No golds yet. We had 1 true green. No golds, no 1 of 1s yet, no autographs. recap it real quick. Oh, nice stuff, guys. I believe I only have one case of this. Possibly 2 cases, but I'm going to tell you guys 1 case for now. Nice reshot shade at 99. And, of course, Mr. Bessie Poo. Going to get a picture of this beautifully crafted, beautifully pooed Matas Puzelis 3 of 5. That's a banger. That's a way to start the day. That was the break on Select Hybrid number 1, guys. Take your number 2s. That's what we're going to focus on next is number 2, guys.